In 2026, the newest gaming laptops are getting seriously insane. They promise RTX 50 series graphics, next-gen processors, OLED displays, and enough power to challenge a desktop PC. But there's a catch. More power means more heat, bigger cooling systems, and some serious compromises. The spec sheet might look incredible. The real question is whether these laptops can actually deliver. 5 of the newest gaming laptops are coming up, and some of them are absolutely ridiculous. Number 5. Asus ROG G16. The Asus ROG G16 is one of the best examples of how powerful gaming laptops are becoming more portable. Instead of building a massive desktop replacement, Asus packs serious hardware into a sleek and premium chassis. Depending on the configuration, you can get powerful processors alongside NVIDIA RTX 50 series graphics, giving you access to features like DLSS and frame generation for demanding games. But the display is just as impressive. The G16 can come with a premium OLED panel, offering deep blacks, excellent contrast, fast response times, and incredible image quality. And that makes the G16 more than just a gaming machine. It can handle gaming, creative work, productivity, and everyday use while still looking like a premium laptop. The biggest compromise is cooling. A thinner chassis simply has less room for thermal hardware than a massive desktop replacement. But that's also what makes the G16 impressive. Asus is delivering serious gaming performance without making you carry around a huge machine. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i takes a completely different approach. Instead of focusing heavily on portability, Lenovo prioritizes sustained performance. And that matters because there's a big difference between a laptop that can briefly hit impressive performance numbers and one that can maintain them during long gaming sessions. The Legion Pro 7i combines powerful processors, RTX 50 series graphics, and serious cooling to give the hardware enough thermal headroom to keep performing under heavy loads. The display is another major strength, with high refresh rates and premium panel options that make fast games feel smoother while delivering excellent image quality. And despite all that performance, Lenovo keeps the design relatively understated. It looks powerful without going overboard with aggressive gaming aesthetics. If you want a premium gaming laptop built around sustained performance, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is one of the most impressive options of this generation. But now we get to something completely different. Number 3. Alienware Area-51 16. The Alienware Area-51 16 is one of the most interesting gaming laptops of 2026 because Alienware has completely rethought its high-performance design. The Area-51 name has always been associated with extreme gaming hardware, and this machine definitely embraces that identity. The chassis is designed around powerful components and serious thermal management, which becomes increasingly important with modern RTX 50 series graphics, because cooling isn't just about temperatures, it directly affects how long a laptop can maintain its performance. The Area-51 16 is built to handle sustained workloads while delivering the kind of performance you normally associate with a desktop gaming machine. It also brings a premium keyboard, a large high-quality display, and a bold design that makes it stand out immediately. Alienware isn't trying to build the smallest gaming laptop. It's trying to deliver serious performance while keeping the experience premium, and that makes the Area-51 16 one of the most distinctive machines in 2026. Number 2. Razer Blade 16. The Razer Blade 16 has always been one of the best examples of premium gaming laptop design, and in 2026, that formula is still extremely impressive. While many gaming laptops become larger as performance increases, Razer focuses on putting powerful hardware into a refined aluminum chassis. But don't let the clean design fool you. Underneath it, you can get modern processors and NVIDIA RTX 50 series graphics capable of handling demanding games and heavy creative workloads. And then there's the display. A high-end OLED panel gives you incredible contrast, deep blacks, fast response times, and vibrant image quality. The Blade 16 also doesn't feel like a machine designed exclusively for gaming. It can sit on a gaming desk surrounded by RGB lighting, but its clean design also works perfectly in a professional environment. That combination of performance, portability, and premium design is exactly what makes the Blade 16 so impressive. But there's still one laptop that takes maximum performance even further.
Number 1. MSI Titan 18HX AI. And this laptop isn't trying to be subtle. The Titan represents the extreme end of gaming laptop engineering. Everything is designed around one goal: maximum performance. The enormous 18-inch display immediately tells you what MSI is going for. This is essentially a desktop gaming experience packed into a single machine. You can configure the Titan with extremely powerful processors and high-end RTX 50 series graphics, giving it enough horsepower for demanding modern games. But the hardware is only half the story. The large chassis provides room for an advanced cooling system designed to help the CPU and GPU maintain high performance during long gaming sessions. MSI also goes all in on the extras with a huge high-end display, premium keyboard, powerful speakers, and plenty of connectivity. The 18-inch screen makes games feel more immersive, while the high-end panel technology delivers the kind of visual quality you'd normally expect from a dedicated gaming monitor. And the AI side is important too. Modern processors are increasingly adding dedicated AI acceleration, making these machines capable of more than just gaming. They're becoming powerful platforms for gaming, content creation, AI workloads, and demanding productivity. And that's why the MSI Titan 18HX AI takes the #1 spot. It isn't small, it isn't light, and it isn't trying to be. It's designed to deliver as much performance as possible without requiring a separate desktop. So, are the newest gaming laptops of 2026 seriously impressive? Absolutely. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 proves that powerful gaming hardware can still be portable. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i shows what sustained performance looks like. The Alienware Area-51 16 brings a bold new approach to high-end gaming. The Razer Blade 16 proves that gaming laptops can be both powerful and genuinely premium. And the MSI Titan 18HX AI shows just how close a laptop can get to replacing a high-end desktop. These aren't simply upgraded versions of last year's machines. They represent where gaming laptops are heading next. And if you want more gaming laptop comparisons, new releases, and honest tech buying advice, make sure you subscribe to Product Insider.